So we're gonna be testing out Bartholomew's tank water. Lately, I've only been testing for the pH of his water, but now that I am feeding him live food, I wanna make sure that I don't have any spikes of ammonia or nitrites in the tank. And so this is going to give me a much better reading when it comes to the exacts of his tank. So far, his tank is looking very nice and clear. I do see oxygen bubbles from the ProRead. There isn't a lot of debris in the tank, but now that I'm feeding him the live food, I'm a little concerned. And so what better way than to test the water? And I'm really excited to see what the numbers are because, yeah, I'm just really excited. All right, so opening the test kit, we're gonna be testing the pH, the high range pH, ammonia, nitrites, and nitrates. And this is like a serious test kit. Comes with a little booklet and the meters of what we need. Okay, so for the levels of the pH, 7.0 is ideal, but it depends on what kind of fish that you have that you want to keep it between a certain range for the pH. We want it to be, for like I said, for Bartholomew, 6.8, around there. Ammonia, we want 0. Nitrites, we want 0. And then nitrate, a nitrite level of 40 ppm or less is recommended for freshwater aquariums. All right, let's do this. Let me put this a little bit here. Why are there so many bottles? We have the pH, we have the nitrite, nitrates. There's 2 bottles for nitrate. This is very in-depth. This high range pH. I don't think I'm gonna test for that. No. And then ammonia, super important. And then ammonia. This seems like a lot. I'm gonna keep this organized as possible. Tube-wise, let's dip them. Perfect. Perfect. All right, first one, pH. Shake this bottle. Just read this. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you can just take it. Okay, where's the ammonia? We're gonna add 8 of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then add 8 of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ammonia. That's nice and clear. Nitrites. 1, 0 nitrates. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Maybe that's for nitrate. Okay, I'm gonna add this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, and so we're gonna wait 5 minutes and then we'll be back. All right, so now that 5 minutes has passed, let's read these results. So first one is the pH. We are looking like a 6.6, 6.8, which is exactly where we want it for the beta. For the high range pH, I did not test for that. For the ammonia, we're looking like a 0, which is amazing. That's exactly what we want. For the nitrite, we also want it to be at a 0, and that's exactly what we are testing right now. It's looking like a nice blue. And then for the nitrates, we want to keep this under a 4.0, and the way that this is looking is more on the yellow. So it could be anywhere between a 0 to a 4.0. So that's great. So his water parameters are looking great, and we're extremely happy, and I hope that he is just throwing at his best. So we're gonna be doing a water change on Thursday and testing his water after and see how it turns out. So yeah, this was fun. I like the accuracy of this exam. I think that it gives you a good peace of mind knowing that everything is coming out exactly the way that it needs to and that you are doing it correctly. So this was fun. I enjoyed that. Your water is absolutely perfect, and I am so proud and I'm so happy for you. I really am. It makes me feel like I know what I'm doing for your well-being, and that makes me happy. I'm very proud of myself that I have stuck to this and that you get to be here with me now. So it's just me and you, bud. Me and you.